Hi there, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you an easy but really good sounding version of Leaving on a Jet Plane. Now, at the end, I'm going to give you a play along track so you can practice right away what you've learned. Let's do this. I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. You knew that. Look at these chords. 3 chords. The D chord, a C add 9, and the G chord. Now let's finger them together. These are the only 3 chords we need. And it's really easy to go from one to the other. Go ahead and finger your D chord. First finger on the 2nd fret, second finger on the 2nd fret, and the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret. I'm using the 3rd string, the 3rd finger's on the 2nd string, and the 2nd finger's on the 1st string. Okay? Now, keep it there for a second. We're going to move to the C add 9. This is a great progression that you'll find lots of uses for. Take your 1st finger and move it over to the 4th string 2nd fret, and the 2nd finger over to the 5th string 3rd fret. Place your pinky down on the 1st string 3rd fret. Isn't that a nice sounding chord? Now, I know John Denver, at least, is playing a regular C chord, but this sounds better. Try it at least and see what you think. It's also easy, an easy switch. Now, let's go to the G chord from here. You're going to move the 1st finger over to the 5th string and 2nd finger over to the 6th string. Leave the pinky and the 3rd finger where they are. 4-finger G. Check it out. Let's try that again. D chord, C add 9, to a G. And for fun, go back to D. So here's what we're going to end up doing. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I can't wait here up and say goodbye. And it repeats that chord progression over and over. Listen to the first part of the chorus. Well, I'm leaving on a jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, did you notice the exact same chords and chord progression as the verse? That's partly what makes this song both easy, but it's a great sounding song. So let's go through the basic chord progression. We're going to start with that 4-finger G, right? We already practiced that. For right now, let's just strum straight down. Don't worry about the strum. We're just kind of mapping out where the chords go. Do, 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 do. To C, do, 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 do. That's 4 strums, then to G. Do, do, do. Back. Do, do, do. Back to G. Do, do, do. C again. Do, 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 do. And here goes to D. And we do 2 measures of D. That exact pattern repeats over and over. So it's 4 beats, I'm using each strum to mean 1 beat, of each chord until we get to the D, and then there's 8 beats, you might say, 2 measures, 4 beats each. So let's do it with the words just for a second, and just follow along with me, and you'll see where this is going. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Starts over, now the dawn is breaking, and so on. Now, right now I'm not going to go through the whole song because I want you to go to the link in the description and download the lyrics with the chords. And then what we're going to do is play through the entire song. You'll see my fingers and you can follow along with the chords and the words. So let's do the strum before we get there. I'm using what I call a pop rock strum. It's 4 beats. This would be 4 beats without the strum, 2, 3, 4, just straight down. So now with the strum it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. That's a miss. Did you catch that? I missed the strings right there once. 1, 2, and skip on 3, and 4, and. So try it with me really slow. Just follow my hands. Ready? Hit it. 1, 2, and skip, and 3, and. So 1, there was no and. I just went 1, and then got